Hi everyone and welcome back to PrepFusion. So today we have Rohan Dey with us. So he has secured AIR 13 from ECE branch and AIR 103 from IN branch. So yeah, Rohan, please introduce yourself to our viewers.
So, hi everyone, my name is Rohan Dey. I am currently in my B.tech final year. I'm pursuing my bachelor's in electronics and communication from Vellore Institute of Technology, Amravati, and I have secured an All India rank of 13 in GATE EC and an All India rank of 103 in IN.
Okay. So Rohan, I think you are a final year student. So can you tell us about your GATE journey? So when did you started preparing for GATE and like what was the process for it?
So, I started my preparation from second year, like fourth sem, around fourth sem.
Okay.
So, at that time, like I used to watch from NPTL and all, and I didn't solve as many questions that was needed for GATE. I did solve PYQs and all. My revision was not up to the point at that time. And in third year, I secured a rank of around 2600. And then in my final year,
Okay.
I gave my final best shot. I prepared well. I revised the whole syllabus a lot of times, and I gave plenty of tests. Yeah, so that's it.
So okay. So basically the like starting early is the great advantage. Like if you
Yeah,
start early, then obviously in the final year itself you can achieve
yeah,
good
yeah.
rank if you start from second year. Okay. So like what was the motivation behind preparing for GATE? Was there anything like you wanted to achieve? You wanted to go to IT or something?
Yeah, that's right. I wanted to go to IITs, and I wanted to get some exposure, and yeah.
Okay, good to IT. Okay. So like how you used to manage your time so effectively? Like you had your college as well. So in the third year you couldn't secure a GATE rank, but still you prepared the subjects, right? So and in the final year you gave the test series. So how you used to manage your time so effectively with the college?
So like in college, we all know that we have a lot of time. If any of us want to crack any of the competitive exams, we have a lot of time. Like if you take out time in between your classes, so like there is ample amount of time that you can prepare in. So yeah, it's not a big deal to like take out time like while studying in college. Like you get early
Yeah,
morning,
yeah, that.
get up early morning, or like study late nights. Yeah, that's okay.
But few people complain we have labs, we have semesters, we have this, we have that, we have to go to class. What do you want to say to those guys?
Yeah, everything somehow gets managed if you want it.
Okay. Yeah, if you want it, you'll find some other way to manage it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Those all that are excuses, nothing else.
Okay. So, like, what throughout your journey, right, your journey, what is the most difficult thing that you found, like preparing some subjects or like revision? Which part was the most difficult part, according to you?
I won't say difficult, but I would say sort of monotonous. Like when you revise your subjects again and again. Like I have revised my whole syllabus. Like in the month of December and January, at around 10 to 12 times. So sometimes it gets boring, but you have to push through it.
Actually, to be honest, I also used to get very bored while revising the subjects. That's why my
Yeah,
rank was also not that great because I don't used to revise at all. I just used to attempt the questions only. So yeah, that is a good thing. Yeah, you have to revise no matter what, even if
yeah,
it's
yeah.
monotonous. You have to revise. The revision was also a difficult part for me. So what was the schedule like? So you prepared your subjects. So did you prepare for IN separately or like you prepared for EC only and just gave IN as a backup?
No, I gave iron like that only, just on the basis of my EC
Okay.
preparation.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So, like, what was your schedule like? So, initially during the second year, I think you covered all the common subjects. Then, or did you were you able to cover all the subjects in your second and like third year attempt
In
in
my
the previous attempt?
in my third year attempt, I finished almost like 8 subjects, but not to that depth.
Okay.
And in
And in
my
the like after that,
after that, in my second attempt for my final year, I started from scratch. I prepared one subject. Like I would write the notes, then I would solve the TPPs, workbooks, and all. Then I would attempt the test series. I started my test series in February itself, and from
Okay.
May onwards, I started giving subject-wise test and combo test. And by November, I
Okay.
was almost done with the subject and combo test. And in November, I started the full length test. After that, in December also, I gave a few tests. In January, I tried to give maximum number of tests. Yeah, so that's it.
So did you
And I
prepare any
revised a
short
lot.
notes or like
No, I didn't prepare any short notes.
okay, how you should revise through the full notes only, right?
Yeah, through full notes.
Okay. Like, wasn't it like bit lengthy because you have to go through the full notes again over and over again. So
But I
why,
was
like,
like,
was there any specific reason like you didn't prepare your short notes?
because in the short notes, it may tend to happen that you miss a few points here and there. So I didn't want that. And as I revised my
Okay,
notes a
okay.
lot of times, so it was easier every time I revised it.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, every next time you do it, it becomes more like the duration becomes lower and lower every
Yeah,
next
yeah.
time you revise. Okay. So, like, what were the marks you used to get in test series, like, on the full length test series?
The highest marks that I got was 73 in Made Easy Test Series, and my rank
And
in
like,
that
yeah,
rank was sixth in that.
yes, sir.
And rest of the times, like it used to be around 50 or something like that.
Okay, 50 or something. Anytime you got very low marks in test series, anytime that happened, or you used to get an average around 50 only?
Uh, Least marks, I would say, like around 40 or something. I got once.
Oh, that was it very difficult paper, was it?
Yeah, sort of difficult, and I didn't plan the paper properly.
Okay, okay. So, like, what was your planning basically? How you used to attempt the paper?
So, like, first of all, when the paper used to start, so I didn't just start doing the questions. I would first mark the questions that I have to do. I used to mark them for review. After that, like, randomly, I would pick a question and start doing it. Usually, like, it would be from aptitude section. So, then I would
Okay,
complete half of my aptitude section, then I would jump to the technical part. Then I would solve first 20 questions, then again I would jump to the like end of the paper. I would solve few questions from there, and like that I would jumble all the questions, not in
okay.
sequence.
So, like, how is the placement in VIT below? Is it good or this year I think it was not that great for any
Yeah,
college. So,
this year due to recession, the placements are not that good.
okay, so you like thought no, like placements are not good, so full focus on gate, right?
Yeah, I
In that
didn't
case.
register for placements.
Okay. Okay. And can you tell us a bit about your exam day experience? Like this year, the EC paper was pretty difficult, but I know it was easy. So you can let us know like what you felt while seeing the like papers
Like
or
first
attempting
of
the
all,
papers.
I started from aptitude section. Then when I was in the technical section, I in between I felt that the questions were a bit tricky, but somehow I managed it. I didn't panic much in the exam.
You're talking about the EC, right?
Yeah, easy paper.
Yeah, EC. Yeah. So you didn't panic. You like you were able to keep your mind stable.
All right.
Yeah. Actually, many students told that paper was a bit difficult. That may happen.
The paper was a
Have you
bit
got a
on
call?
the trickier side.
Okay. Okay. So, yeah, so what are your future plans now? So you have got such a great rank, so you can get anything, whatever you want to. So have you decided anything
I
like, or still
yeah, yeah, I want to go for masters from IITs.
IITs? Not IIC?
Yeah, I see also.
Yeah.
I'm right now I'm
Okay,
a
so,
bit confused between those two.
okay. Okay. So yeah, you decide accordingly. There are a lot of
Yeah,
people you can ask for help. So yeah, thank you, Rohan. Thank you for coming to our channel. If you want to say any parting words to our viewers, you can say, and then we can wrap this interview up.
nothing. Just everyone just maintain your consistency and cut off all the distractions. All the best to everyone.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Cutting off the distance is very important. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Rohan.
Thank you. Thank you.